Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your BMW 1 Series. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked before you begin. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and make sure it is discoverable by other devices. Then, navigate to the communication or telephone menu within your BMW's iDrive system. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Once in the communication menu, select Manage Mobile Devices or Add New Device to begin the pairing process. From the options presented, choose Bluetooth as your preferred connection method. Your BMW system will then become discoverable, and its name, often starting with BMW, will appear on the list of available Bluetooth devices on your mobile phone. Now, on your mobile phone, select the name of your BMW from the Bluetooth device list. Both your phone and the BMW's iDrive screen will then display a unique 6-digit pairing code. It is very important to carefully compare these codes to ensure they match exactly. Once you confirm the codes are identical on both devices, the pairing process will be successfully completed. Congratulations! Your phone is now fully connected to your BMW 1 Series. You can now enjoy hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and access other smart features directly through the iDrive controller. Remember to keep your phone charged and its software updated for the best possible experience. Enjoy the seamless integration of your mobile device with your BMW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.